Now we are going to learn grammar part below the lesson, the adventure in the woods. Grammar part. Now we are going to learn about the conjunction but. But is a conjunction which is used to join two words, two phrases and two sentences. Here some examples are given in this green table. These two words are here, poor and honest. These two words are joined with but. How to read? Poor but honest. गरीब परंतु प्रामाणिक. But means पण in Marathi it said. Sitting in the library not reading a book. These two are phrases. The two phrases are joined with the but conjunction. Sitting in the library but not reading a book. Library मध्ये बसलाय पण पुस्तक वाचत नाही. This is the meaning of this sentence. Okay. She can make tea plus she cannot make a chapati. Here are two sentences. How these two sentences are joined? The first sentence is written as it is. You can see here she can make tea. She can make tea. This is the first sentence written as it is. After that, but conjunction is used. But she cannot make chapati. The second sentence is used after it. The next, Ajay likes football. Ajay does not like cricket. Now, how these two sentences are joined with the but. The first sentence is written as it is. You can see Ajay likes football. But in the second sentence, Ajay word is repeated again. So, doer of this action is repeated. So, we can omit the repetition and write Ajay likes football but not cricket. So, repeated word Ajay and like. These two words are dropped here and written but not cricket. Okay. So what we learn here? But conjunction that joins words, phrases and sentences. Okay. When but connects two words, phrases, sentence, it shows the difference between the first and the second. It shows the difference. Okay. Let's read some more examples. Joy can drive a car but he cannot drive a bus. Joy drives a car but he doesn't drive a bus. It's meant. Okay, meaning of this sentence. Then Saif is walking in the rain but not carrying an umbrella. People usually carry an umbrella while walking in the rain. But Saif is not carrying an umbrella. Grandfather has a cup of coffee in front of him but he is not drinking it. What is the meaning of this sentence? Usually when someone has a cup of coffee in front of him or her, he or she is drinking it. But grandfather is not drinking his cup of coffee. समोर कॉफीचा कप आहे पण ग्रँडफादर पीत नाही, कॉफी पीत नाही आहे. Here but helps us avoid repetition. So by using but we can avoid the repetition or making more sentences, new sentences, again and again repetition, we can avoid it. This design is simple, this design is stylish. These two, instead of saying these two sentences, we can say in one sentence in this way. This design is simple but stylish. So we can avoid the repetition of this design is. Okay. These two sentences can be written in a one sentence. Okay. Ratna is learning Telugu. Ratna is not learning German. These two sentences are written here. Instead of saying these two sentences, we can tell what is that in a one sentence. Ratna is learning Telugu but not German. I invited Ratan to my house. I did not invite Anil to my house. Here are two sentences. In first sentence, I invited Ratan but not Anil. So here we can say this in a one sentence. I invited Ratan, not Anil, to my house. So through these examples, what we learn, the use of but conjunction. Okay, it shows the difference between the first and the second. Question is given here. Join the two parts using but wherever possible. Right, cannot be joined wherever not possible. Okay. The first sentence, bright, the first example is bright plus beautiful. These are two words. Bright but beautiful. Can we write this? No. So these two words cannot be joined with the but. Cannot be joined with but. Okay, using but. Useful plus old. The thing is useful but old. So this sentence can be joined because here the first one and second one shows the difference. There is a difference is shown between these two words. So next, under the bed covered with dust. There is no relation between these two phrases. So this cannot be joined. Okay. Fourth, I plan to visit Karnataka. I plan to visit Odisha. I plan to visit Karnataka and Odisha. This can be joined. These two sentences can be joined with the and. But there is no difference between these two sentences. So we cannot join these two sentences with but. Okay. So writer cannot be joined. Aziz won a prize in essay competition. He did not win a prize in singing. Here these two sentences can be joined with the but. How to write? Aziz won a prize in essay competition but not in singing. Okay. Sima wanted to go for a picnic. She did not go because her father was ill. This can be joined with the but. Sima wanted to go for a picnic but she did not go because her father was ill. In this way you can join these two sentences using but. I met my classmate Samir in the park. We decided to go boating. Here these two sentences are different. We cannot join these two sentences using but. So right cannot be joined.